Alright guys, aspiring meteorologist Eden Patterson here. It is Friday, March 12th, 2021 at 9:39 p.m. Excuse for the background as I am looking on IEMBot on a different device than this one. So, excuse for that. But anyway, we have a new watch. A severe thunderstorm watch has been issued. So this is the whole area that's under it, so the blue. This is the whole watch area. Lubbock is under it. So these are the counties that are under the watch. So here we go. We have Armstrong, Carson, Collingsworth, Dickens, Ford, Hale, Hill, Kent, Lamb, Modley, Swisher, Wilbanger, Bayer, Childress, Cottle, Donnelly, Garza, Hall, Hockley, King, Lubbock, Roberts, Terry, and Yoakum, I guess, and Briscoe, Coach, Cochran, Crosby, Floyd, Gray, Henderson, Henderman, sorry, Hutchinson, Knox, Leon, Stonewell, and Wheeler. And don't forget, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. So just stay tuned for possible warnings. Isn't overnight. Oh yeah, this watch, I forgot to tell you. It's in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time tomorrow morning. So stay safe, everyone.